Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to remove location from a photo on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on gallery app. After click on gallery app, click on picture and swipe up. You will see location is here. If you want to remove location from a photo, click on edit. After click on edit, you will see if you want to remove location, click on this minus icon. After click on this minus icon, you will see location is removed. After remove location, click on save. You will see location is removed from photo. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can remove location from a photo on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.